This is one of the most famous and cool acoustic guitar songs ever. It's Unknown Legend by Neil Young. I think it's so neat, and it's got this very unusual C chord that you heard. I'm gonna show it all to you in under 3 minutes, and oh yeah, I'm Steve. So let's go here with a G major and no capo needed. Now I'm gonna show you that super cool intro really quick. You put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, then go to the 3rd fret, like that, and then the open D string. And right when you do that, you play a G chord. So G chord is the main chord, and you can solve for the whole intro. I really never took my hands off the G chord. So you go like this. Well, I mean, you take this finger off for a second. So now you're playing a full G, and whether you play a regular G or put both of those top 2 strings on the 3rd fret, either way, then it goes like this. So that's the 3rd fret of that A string, down to the 2nd fret again, and back to the open D string. And I'm sort of camping out these right here the whole time. G, then do it again. And now go to the 3rd fret, 2nd fret of that A string, and this time you hit the open E. And that's where that cool C chord comes in. So you hit that pretty hard, and then play a C, and try mostly to play the C chord. You can hit this a little bit, but you don't want to overhit it or it'll get too boomy. And now open E to the 3rd fret of the E string, and now the open D string. Super cool, right? All right, you can rewind and put that in slow-mo if you need to. And then it goes, you know, she used to work in a diner. G, never saw a woman look finer. I used to watch her just to watch her, whatever, float across the floor. C, C major. Now I'm playing a regular C major. She grew up in a small town. You can go C, G if you want to. Never kept her roots down. It's really in G. Daddy always kept moving, so she did too. It stays in G, and then it goes somewhere on a desert highway. Now I play the C major here, like that. It's C, it's really C, G. But when you leave these 2 fingers right here, it allows you to just move these 2 notes of that G to the C, like that. So you're going from a G chord to a C chord and back to G, but like this. Somewhere on a desert highway. She rides a Harley Davidson. Her long blonde hair flying in the wind. See? And it does it again. Somewhere, you know, chrome and steel she rides. It does those same things, colliding with the air she breathes. The air she breathes. So that's a super fast lesson. I spent most of the time playing that cool note right there, but for the most part, you're just going from G to C, whether you play it regular or using that little structure right there. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. This is super quick, and I'll catch you next time for some fast lessons. See ya.